Welcome to my channel, Simple Ways to Learn Statistics. Myself, Sandesh B, lecturer in statistics. So today, in this video, I am discussing about the topic interpolation and extrapolation. In the last video also, I explained about the interpolation and extrapolation by binomial expansion method with one missing value. In this video, I'm explaining about the two missing value. One is the interpolated value and the another one is the extrapolated value. So there is binomial expansion method. This method is applicable under the following conditions. First one, the values of the independent variable should have common difference. That is, the values should be in arithmetic progression. And the second one, the value of x for which the value of y is to be interpolated must be one of the value of x. Then the steps involved in the binomial expansion method. The binomial expansion method of estimating two missing values involves the following steps. So first step, find the number of known values of dependent variable y, that is denoted as n, small letter n. Second step, for the two missing values, first take delta naught to the power n is equal to 0, that is y minus 1 to the power n is equal to 0, and delta 1 to the power n is equal to 0 is written by increasing the suffix of y when value suffix of y value by 1 in delta naught to the power n is equal to 0. So y minus 1 to the power n is equal to 0 binomial expansion method alli so equation ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಆ equation ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು y terms ಇನ suffix ನ ಒಂದು increase ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ for finding the extrapolated value ಅಂತ ಕರೆದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Then third step, the left hand side of the equation is expanded using the binomial expansion and solve for unknown. So these are the three steps involved in the binomial expansion method. These three steps are used to find the two missing values. One is the interpolated value and other one is the extrapolated value. For this, consider one example. For the following data, estimate production for 2006 and 2010 by binomial expansion method of interpolation and extrapolation. Here, they are given year 2005, 6, 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010. Then production, that is 5, missing value, 10, 15, 20, and missing value. Here, there are two missing values. One is for the year 2006 and another one is for the year 2010. So for the year 2006, the procedure is called the interpolation. For the year 2010, the procedure is called the extrapolation. 2006, production in 2006 is the interpolated value. Production in 2010 is the extrapolated value. So in the conditions, we use that second condition, that is the value of x for which the value of y is to be interpolated must be one of the value of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು binomial expansion method ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ y ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ binomial expansion method ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. So this is the problem ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ here first we need to write the number of known values. Here number of known values are denoted by n. N is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the n value. N is equal to 4. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ year and production can be taken as y. So they are given year 2005, then 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010. Then y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತದ್ದು 5, missing value question mark, then 10, 15, 20, missing value question mark. Then the notations are given, that is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, and y5. Then n is equal to 4. Number of known values are 4. Then first for interpolated value, delta naught to the power 4 is equal to 0. That is same as y minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. So by using binomial expansion, the left hand side of the equation is expanded. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ binomial expansion method apply ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಸ್ಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 ಅಂಡ್ NC4 ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ binomial coefficients here n is equal to 4 and the values NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3 and NC4. So these are the values. The values are 1, 4, 6, 4 and 1. These are the values, 5 values. This is written in the form. So ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ values ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is 1, then next value is 4, then 6, then 4 and 1. Then here the last value y4, n is equal to 4 in the y4, then y3, y2, y1 and y0. So notation minus plus minus plus is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Then the values of known values are substituted in this equation. Y4, here y4 is equal to 20. So 1 into y4 is y4, that is 20, minus 4 into y3. So that is 4 into y3 is 15, plus 6 into y2. Here y2 is 10, minus 4 into y1. y1 is the unknown value. 4 into y1 plus y0. 1 into y0 is y0. y0 is equal to 5. That is equal to 0. Then ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಿರೋದಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. That is 20 minus 4 into 15 is equal to 60, plus 6 into 10 is equal to 60, minus 4 into y1 plus 5 is equal to 0. Then 20 minus 60 plus 60 plus 5, that becomes 25, minus 4 into y1 is equal to 0. Then so 25 minus 4y1 is equal to 0. Then 4y1 is equal to 25. Then y1 is equal to 25 divided by 4 is equal to 6.25. So this is the term. That is a y1 is the interpolated value. Then for extrapolation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ binomial expansion method ಅಲ್ಲಿ for the two missing values, first take delta naught to the power n is equal to 0, that is y minus 1 to the power n is equal to 0, and delta 1 to the power n is equal to 0 is written by increasing the suffix of y value by 1 in delta naught to the power n is equal to 0. Here delta naught to the power n, here n is equal to 4, that is next ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು delta 1 to the power 4 is equal to 0. The suffix of the equation is increased. y ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ suffix increase ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. 1 into y4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ that can be written as y5, sign as it is, for minus 4 as it is, then y4 plus 6 into y3 minus 4 into y1 plus 4 into y2 plus 1 into y0 can be written as y1 is equal to 0. The y4 ಇತ್ತು y5, y3 ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ y4, y2 ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ y3, y1 ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ y2, y0 ಇರೋ ಕಡೆಗೆ y1 is equal to 0. Then the values are substituted, known values are substituted in this equation. So y5 is the unknown value, y5 minus 4 into y4. So y4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು 20 plus 6 into y3 is equal to 15 minus 4 into y2. So y2 is equal to 10 plus y1. y1 unknown value ಆಗಿತ್ತು, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. y1 is equal to 6.25 is equal to 0. So ಈಗ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is y5 is equal to 4 into 20, sorry, y5 minus 4 into 20 is 80 plus 6 into 15, 90 minus 4 into 10 is 40 plus 6.25 is equal to 0. Then y5 minus 80 plus 90 minus 40 plus 6.25. So solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that becomes minus 23 point. So we will get the value y5 minus 23.75 is equal to 0. Then the value of y5, that is y5 is equal to 23.75. One is the interpolated, that is y1 is equal to 6.25, y5 is equal to 23.75. So this is the interpolation and extrapolation for two missing values. So thank you.